So in this video we're going to look at calculated columns, and these are bespoke custom columns that you can create at runtime using an expression, and that expression can reference other columns and include a huge variety of different mathematical operators, and the column itself is saved, has persisted, and you can treat it as any other column in your data set, and it's available when you restart the application. So let me give you a couple of examples. Let's start with an example where we use the max operator. So let's imagine you want to see what's the best of your different ask prices. So we'll say what's the mask from column ask, and we've also got a column Bloomberg ask, and of course you might have a number of others, and we're just saying show me whichever's the best. So that's our column description, and this calculated column now gets saved, and the expression becomes part of your blotter entities. By default, the column gets pushed to the bottom, so let's move it to the top so we can see it, and there we are. And that now updates in real time as the columns it looks at also update. And in fact we can see that better because if we turn flashing cells on, there we are, we can see it updating as the other ask columns update. Let's create another one. This time we'll do a true-false calculated column. We'll call it change type. And we're going to say we want to see if the column change of year is greater than 50 or if the column change on year is less than minus 50. So this is going to return true false. Again, it's gone to the bottom, so let's push it to the top. And there we are. As you can see, sometimes it's false, sometimes it's true. If you don't want to return true false and you want to return your own text, then obviously you can do that. Let's edit this, and we can say let's return our own values. So we can say let's make it a big change or small change. And there we are, it's edited, and as I say, it's treated like any other column, so you're able to filter on small change, and if you want to remove that filter you can, and in fact you can even use a conditional style, so let's do that. So let's say, for instance, we'll make it yellow wherever it's a big change. And there we are. So they're calculated columns. They update in real time. You can create as many as you want using a huge variety of different mathematical operators. And essentially, the use cases are endless. It's as far as your imagination, how far you want to take it. That's calculated columns.